Hello everyone, bonjour, bonsoir, welcome back. This is an old video, as you guys will probably see me in the mirror over there with my big lock bun on top of my head. But I figured I'd go ahead and upload it because I like this video. It's really cute. This is one of my clients. You guys should be familiar with her hair because she is actually my thumbnail picture, like my profile picture here. And I did lock extensions on her, and I share a lot of her hairstyles that we did. And I also have another style on here on her hair. It's the high bun. And yes, her hair is beautiful. She is the most requested picture that I get when people contact me about lock extensions. They want it just like hers, but that's not how that works. But her hair is beautiful. If you are wanting to contact me for lock extensions, email Dxlynlocs.Orlando@gmail.com and we can get that set up. But in this video, I'll just be showing you guys a lock petal style that I did on her. I'm not gonna do too much talking in this video, just introducing it. So we're just doing a lock petal style and do a lock mohawk and then have petals. But although it was cute, she didn't like how it looked on her face. She didn't like how it made her face look. So we decided to just go with a lock petal fro type of thing, and you guys will see that as we go on. But pretty much just enjoy. It's just a styling video. Lock petals are pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. You're just making lock loops, and then you are using the rubber band to make them stay, and that's it.
Original bad man, you don't know.
It's Petals.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them are random. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that come she jeje. No they do me, she get. You wanna come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh.
So nobody better than you. I know. I say nobody proper than you. I know. Then one boy and need your money, yo. Need your money, yo. Them they feel you from London to SA. We could do it my way. Baby, make you ginger me. I wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make I feel 'em. If I know if you do, I'ma go talk 'em. Baby, you rock 'em. No need for protein, baby. Love you, baby. Dagu, party. I just gotta tell you what's in my mind. You gotta know.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you and I be feeling you, oh. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, oh, and I be feeling you, oh. Original Batman, oh. John Tricks on the beat.
All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. And these are just pictures from her results. I posted these on my Instagram when I did do her hair. This is what the lock fro, petal fro is looking like. And I also posted this, I played around with an app. A few of you on Instagram were grossed out by it, but I thought it was funny. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.